What's going on, YouTube? It's been a while since I've been behind the camera, so hello again. Today we're working on the '02 Tahoe. So my issue is no crank, no start from the key. Gauges come on, nothing. Well, originally when I bought the truck, it was starting, but it needs a transmission. So I've been through every fuse. I've watched every video of like people saying like bad wires under here. Took that off, no bad wires. Just real strange. I know I put everything back, but the only way I could start the truck was this is my little remedy. You can see there's no contact right there. So I was starting it like this. And it would run. Who wants to keep doing that every time? I sure don't. Could be raining, something could be wrong, whatever. But anyway, my security light was kind of staying on. Like I say, no crank, no start. But once I popped the cover off of the starter relay and it runs. So I've been dealing with this for maybe a month now. So had to take a step back, check with a few friends, and we went through all the wires on the inside. So he was like, maybe you pinched the wire. I was like, no, I was real careful with that. But what ended up happening was, let me see if I can get it to focus, was this little wire right here. That's on the neutral safety switch. The wire that's broke came out of this last hole right here. See if I can zoom in on it. Came out of that last hole right there. So without that working, the key switch wouldn't work because that yellow wire provided the power, letting the truck know that it was safe to start. So it killed everything in the inside. And the best way to get these off, which my dumb tail, I switched out the neutral safety switch and didn't even notice that was broken. I just skinned it back because I'm about to repair it. But I'm not gonna make this video long. I'll make a follow-up video, a part 2, showing you this after I fix it. Any questions or comments, post up, like, share, subscribe. Hopefully this will help someone else because I sure been through the ringer trying to figure it out. And like I say, it was just a oversight on my part. But I'll get back to y'all after I replace this. Until next time, tell a friend to tell a friend. Later.